Top 20 Muslim baby boy's name. Okay, let's see. Ayan, meaning God's gift. Ayan, God's gift. Okay. Azmal, Azmal, meaning beautiful. Beautiful. Abid, Abid, meaning worshipper. Worshipper. Aslam, Aslam, meaning peace. Peace. Aslam. Okay. Anjar, Anzar, meaning angel of paradise. Okay. Angel of paradise. Aqil, Aqil, intelligent, meaning intelligent. Okay. Aman, meaning most lovable. Aman, most lovable. Azhar, Azhar, meaning famous. Famous. Arzu, Arzu, meaning hope. Wish. Hope. Okay. Arzu. Anam, Anam, meaning creatures. Anam, creatures. Okay. Ahil, Ahil, meaning prince. Prince. Ahmad, Ahmad, meaning much praised. Much praised. Akbar, Akbar, meaning great. Great. Afzal, meaning best, topmost. Okay. Afzal, best one. Abbas, meaning gloomy look. Abbas, gloomy look. Ahsan, meaning powerful. Ahsan, meaning powerful. Okay. Azim, meaning greatest. Azim, greatest. Akhtar, Akhtar, meaning good man, a star. Okay. Akhtar, good man. Aftab, Aftab, meaning the sun. Aftab, the sun. Okay. Afroz, Afroz, meaning bright. Bright. Afroz. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.